figured I'd give you a tour of my car. I have a few stories for my car. Okay, so, yeah. That's the steering wheel. This is a Suzuki Forenza. That's my radio. It has things. That's my backpack. And see that thing right there? That thing is, hold on. I got that from some foreign person from China, and he was like, "Happy New Year, thank you for being my friend." It's like, yeah, and now it's hanging there. It's kind of cool. I have this because my car doesn't actually have an aux, so I have to hook it up to this, and I can't hear it on the freeway like half the time, but I try to put on podcasts so I can hear it, but it doesn't really work out well. What was you thing? That's my thing that I use to open my garage, but it rattles whenever I drive, so I have to like unplace it and put it on the ground right in that little cubby hole. Can't see it. Why can't you see it? It's because there's the paper. Well, there's a cubby hole there, I swear. That's the back seat. I can show you outside of it. Let's go outside. That's my car. That's pretty much it. It's kind of interesting. I like my car. It's a nice thing. It's a nice thing to have. And it's not that messy, I think. I like it. Well, thank you for watching. I'll tell you a story next time. It'll be fun. Bye.